What if I told you that simply saving money is no longer enough in 2026? In fact, letting your savings sit idle in traditional accounts is a risk, not a strategy. Thanks to tokenized yields and decentralized finance, the gap between saving and earning has all but vanished. The real goal today is to turn your savings into a working employee that generates income day in and day out. In this video, I'll show you the top 8 smart ways to turn your savings into active income streams. Stay tuned until the end to learn how you can reinvest these earnings to create long-term wealth. 1. Participate in liquid staking protocols. In 2026, cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance, DeFi, have opened up new ways to generate income from your savings. Liquid staking, offered by platforms like Lido and Rocket Pool, has emerged as one of the most effective ways to earn from your crypto assets. Unlike traditional staking, where your funds are locked up for a specific period, liquid staking allows you to earn staking rewards, often 3–5%, while still retaining access to your capital through a receipt token. This receipt token can be used across other DeFi platforms, allowing you to earn additional yield. This dual-source income stream can be incredibly powerful, turning idle cryptocurrency holdings into a productive asset. Whether you hold Ethereum, Solana, or another proof-of-stake asset, liquid staking can significantly increase the yield on your digital assets, creating a passive income stream with minimal risk. 2. Fund revenue-based small business loans. Instead of putting your money into traditional low-yield savings accounts, consider funding small businesses through platforms like Mainvest or Worthy. These platforms allow you to lend directly to local businesses in exchange for a percentage of their revenue until a specific return is met. Unlike traditional loans that come with fixed interest rates, revenue-based financing ties your return to the business's actual performance. This means that when the business does well, so do you. These types of investments allow you to diversify your savings into small businesses that align with your values or interests while also earning a share of their success. You're not just letting your savings sit in a bank account. You're helping entrepreneurs grow while enjoying a steady stream of passive income. With the right strategy, revenue-based loans can be an excellent way to earn while supporting local communities and small businesses. 3. Invest in fractionalized renewable energy. The growing demand for sustainable energy has opened up an opportunity for investors to put their savings into fractionalized renewable energy projects. Platforms like Raise Green allow you to purchase cells in large-scale solar or wind farms, enable you to directly profit from the energy generated by these eco-friendly sources. By investing in renewable energy, you not only contribute to a cleaner planet, but also gain access to a share of the utility payments that these energy sources generate on a monthly basis. This type of investment allows you to benefit from the stability and long-term growth potential of the renewable energy sector. As the world continues to transition to green energy, the value of these investments is expected to grow, providing you with a steady and reliable income stream. Additionally, since renewable energy projects tend to have lower risks compared to traditional energy investments, they offer an attractive alternative for those looking to secure their financial future while contributing to global sustainability efforts. For the ATM or vending fractional node. In 2026, automated retail kiosks and machines have become lucrative income-generating assets. Whether it's EV chargers, high-end vending machines, or ATMs, you can now buy shares in these automated systems. These machines are designed to process transactions and provide services 24/7, making them perfect candidates for passive income. By investing in a fleet of these kiosks, you provide the capital for the hardware and receive a passive share of every transaction the machine processes. This type of investment is becoming increasingly popular as it allows you to benefit from the growing demand for self-service and automated solutions. Each transaction processed by these machines generates revenue, which is shared with investors like you. Whether it's charging an electric vehicle or purchasing snacks from a vending machine, these machines are constantly working for you, generating consistent income with minimal oversight. With the rise of automation, this passive income model is one of the easiest ways to turn your savings into a reliable income stream. 5. Launch a paid-per-use digital tool. If you're looking for a way to use your savings to create a digital income stream, consider launching a paid-per-use digital tool. In 2026, no-code platforms and AI-driven tools make it easier than ever to develop digital products like Chrome extensions or specialized prompt libraries. These tools can be created with relatively low startup costs and can generate micro fees, $1 to $2, for every use. Once your digital tool is created, it becomes a digital annuity that continues to generate revenue with little overhead. For example, you could hire a developer to build a simple tool that solves a common problem, such as a browser extension that simplifies a task or a custom AI prompt library for specific industries. As long as the tool remains useful and in demand, it will continue to generate income each time it's used. This approach allows you to leverage your savings to create a self-sustaining business that generates passive income with minimal ongoing effort. The beauty of digital tools is that once they are created, they can operate on autopilot, earning money while you focus on other ventures. 6. Purchase music or media royalties. Music and media royalties have long been a way for creators to generate passive income, and in 2026, it's easier than ever for you to get a piece of the action. By using platforms like Royalty Exchange, you can buy a stake in the streaming rights of songs or films. Every time a track is played on streaming platforms like Spotify or licensed for use in commercials, a royalty payment is deposited into your account. Investing in music royalties offers a unique opportunity to earn from the entertainment industry without creating the content yourself. If you have savings that you're looking to turn into income, purchasing royalties allows you to capitalize on the ongoing success of popular songs, albums, or films. Over time, the earnings from these royalties can add up, providing a steady and reliable income stream. As more people turn to digital platforms for entertainment, the potential for music and media royalties to generate income continues to grow. 7. Deploy automated index, covered call strategies. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach to turning savings into income, automated index funds that use covered call strategies might be the solution. ETFs like JEPI and QYLD automate the process of trading covered calls on your behalf. This strategy generates income from the volatility of the market, paying out monthly dividends regardless of whether the market goes up, down, or stays flat. Covered call strategies work by allowing you to sell call options on the stocks or ETFs you hold, generating premium income in exchange for possibility that your shares may be called away. This is a way to generate income without actively trading, and the automated nature of these funds means that they can do the work for you. The income generated from covered calls can be reinvested to compound over time, creating a reliable income stream from your savings. 8. Land banking for digital infrastructure. As the world becomes more AI dependent, the demand for digital infrastructure is skyrocketing. One way to turn your savings into income is to invest in specialized real estate investment trusts, REITs, that focus on data centers and 5G towers. These REITs provide exposure to the growing demand for data storage and high-speed connectivity, both of which are essential for the modern digital economy. As tech giants continue to expand their operations, they need more physical infrastructure to house their servers and transmit data. By investing in REITs that focus on these critical pieces of digital infrastructure, you can earn income from the rent paid by these companies to store their data. This type of investment provides stable, long-term income that can be a valuable addition to your overall portfolio, especially as the demand for AI and cloud computing continues to rise. There you have it, the top 8 smart ways to turn savings into income in 2026. From liquid staking to land banking for digital infrastructure, these methods allow you to generate passive income while putting your savings to work. Rather than letting your money sit idle, you can create multiple income streams that continue to grow over time. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to turn your savings into a powerful tool for financial growth. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first, and I'll see you in the next video.